Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can message someone on your Bigo Live. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video. First of all, open up your Bigo Live app, but make sure you are logged into your account. And after you are logged into your Bigo Live account, you can see that you're on the live or on the home page of Bigo Live. And from here, you can just match with other people, and after matching with other people of your choice, befriending them, you can just go on to chat, which is on the bottom right side of your screen. And after you are friends with many people, all the people that you are friends with will appear here, and from here on out, you'll be able to chat and message them directly. And this is how you can message someone on your Bigo Live app. This much for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.